welcome! Today we are going to draw Mommy and Baby Shark. We start doing the mouse.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
A fin.
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man?
And the tail.
On Drury Lane.
Now we draw the rest of the body. With the belly. We draw a very round eye. So very good. Now let's mark the drawing. We start reviewing.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the
If you are liking the video,
Do
you can subscribe and like.
lives on Drury Lane?
We continue along the fin and the nose that is. Now we do the nose and the lips. Now we draw it pink.
Do you know the Muffin Man,
We are coloring
the
it.
Muffin Man? Do you
So very good. And now the gray belly. We draw his mouth and the eyelashes. And all that remains is to make some blue bubbles. Well rounded. And that would be it. Now let's do Baby Shark. Do you like Baby Shark? The song is very funny. We start by making a circle. Well rounded for the head. Now we draw a smile. And the tongue with saw-shaped teeth. We draw a circle for the eye. And the other very similar. And all that remains is to make the body. We draw the tail and the fins. How happy is Baby Shark? Very good. Blue. Start coloring.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
See you in the next video. Bye.